since the cubs were born almost 2 months ago, the pride is together again. Things are looking up for this family of Africa's most powerful predators. It's natural for lions to live in prides for their whole lives. Cheetah coalitions, however, sometimes break apart. In a bid to find a territory and mate of his own, one of the brothers has left, splitting up the sibling alliance.
Okay, he's obviously bored with cheetahs.
Lone cheetah
Lame-ass
leaders have
cat.
formed